Old guy with a wrench coming at you with another video. You're probably wondering what I'm doing out here in the middle of nowhere with the Suzuki Sidekick. Well, it's about time that I give a little love to all my brothers and sisters out there that drive these first gen. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna convert this from the old jalopy into a true overland vehicle. Areas that I'm gonna focus on are front bumper, rear bumper, roof rack, and overall a quality paint job. While the drone operator tries to figure out this drone, I want you to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. But in the meantime, while I try to figure out my next move, keep wrenching.